Look, the truth is brutal. The old industries are hanging on by a thread, and it's messing with everything, from profits to the planet. You see the signs every day. Supply chains breaking down, customers dumping brands that don't care, regulators tightening screws, and investors, like you, getting squeezed between stubborn legacy systems and the urgent demand for change. It's a goddamn mess. But here's what nobody's screaming loud enough. Circular economy models aren't just a nice to have anymore. They are the only play if you want to survive, let alone lead. And no, this isn't some fluffy buzzword. This is the battlefield where you either evolve or die. If you're frustrated watching billion-dollar giants waste resources, pollute endlessly, and keep stuck in old habits, you're not alone. But frustration won't cut it. It's anger that should drive you, that relentless fire pushing you to get aggressive about change. You need to stop waiting for the system to catch up, because it won't. The system is built to protect yesterday, not invent tomorrow. You've got to pry it open yourself, and here's exactly how to crush it. First, stop thinking about circular economy as just recycling. That's amateur hour. Circular isn't just about throwing less in landfills. It's redesigning everything from raw materials to customer experience so waste doesn't exist. Forget linear, take, make, use, throw models. Build your business from the ground up with looped processes, where every output is an input for something else. The best startups, the aggressive investors, are already deep in this, building parts, components, platforms that regenerate value at every step. If your playbook doesn't include this, you're already losing. Second, cut the bullshit about going it alone. Circular economy demands partnerships like never before. Founders, manufacturers, logistics operators, investors. Everyone must be wired into a network that shares data, resources, and risk. If you're not aggressively building alliances that connect your supply chain into an unbreakable circle, you'll be left isolated, watching competitors spin ahead while you're stuck chasing scraps. Find those who complement your strengths, not just nod politely. Make those relationships your edge, your moat. Third, flip the way you pitch impact investing here. Don't just talk about sustainability or green credentials. Tie every investment decision to measurable loops of value regeneration. Demand transparency, so everyone sees how capital fuels real circular processes, not just greenwashed PR. Push for data systems that track everything. Material flows, carbon impact, reuse rates, because what gets measured gets fixed. And if you're the investor who demands these metrics, you'll pull the market forward, fast. And finally, understand this isn't just about industry. It's about the mindset. Circular economy means embracing constant change, admitting no model is sacred. Legacy industries cling to status and tradition like life rafts. But you? You have to be ruthless with old assumptions. Tear down what no longer works and reconstruct everything with loops in mind. If you hesitate to disrupt yourself first, someone else will beat you to it, and you'll be scrambling in the dust. This world isn't waiting for permission. It's not waiting for you to be comfortable. It's moving, dangerously fast, and if you're serious about impact investing, if you want to fuel the kind of change that actually matters, you take circular economy seriously. You hunt it, build it, live, and breathe it. Because old industries won't disappear overnight, but their grip is crumbling. They're begging to be replaced by smarter, leaner, regenerative models. Models that don't just do well or avoid harm, but actively restore and generate value. So stop feeling stuck. Stop hoping for slow evolution. Take control now. Tear the old apart. Bring the rare allies. Demand data-driven accountability. Build loops that never break. Invest fiercely into regeneration, because that's how you build an impact that's real, deep, and lasting. Circular isn't the future. It's the battle happening right now. And if you don't jump in fully, you lose. Period. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.